Hi friends, today we discuss what is the alpha value of a security in security analysis. Actually, alpha is a measure of the success of your investment. It is an indicator of the extent to which the actual return of the security deviates from its risk. That means it is an excess return compared to the market or benchmark that represents the additional return of a security. Then next we discuss how to calculate the alpha value. Alpha is equal to actual return of the security minus beta into RM. RM represents the market return. Alpha is equal to actual return of the security minus expected rate of return. That is the additional rate of return of the security. Then, what is the difference between alpha and beta? Is there any difference? Yes. These two indicators, that is alpha and beta, are used to evaluate the performance of the stock or fund or investment portfolio. But alpha represents how well a stock has performed in comparison to the benchmark index. Beta indicate that represents the volatility of the stock in comparison to the market index. That is the difference between alpha and beta. Then we discussed about what is the real interpretation of alpha value. An alpha number can be negative or positive. For example, alpha is equal to 3 or alpha value of the security is equal to minus 5. What is the real interpretation? If alpha value of the security is positive, that means that security is outperforming in comparison to the market or market performance. Suppose the alpha value is negative. What is the interpretation or what is the meaning? That particular security is underperforming compared to the market or benchmark. That is the interpretation of alpha value. In short, alpha is the excess return or additional return compared to the market or benchmark. Thank you.